Today's a nice sunny day, so we're gonna do the summer tires. We got a 20 by 10 -19 offset fuel wheels wrapped in BFG all trains. They're 285/60 R20s, and you can see the BFG, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that wanted to see what marker I used to make the BFG stand out in white again. We'll do a little walk around to the truck that it's going on, and then we'll do a walk around after they're put on. So let's go do a walk around to the truck. If you guys wouldn't mind going down there and hitting that like and subscribe button, and we'll just take a look at the truck before and after. So parked a little close to the garage, but so I got one in there, so we're gonna get that one started. So here's the truck before. Stock rims, leveling kit, 2-inch leveling kit, airbags in the back, tonneau cover, MBRP exhaust. I got the shorty headers on there. You guys can go and check out that video. You see from the side, and we'll take a good look once we get the tires on there. A little VW, got some work to do on that one. Try and make a video of that. Also, I'll be doing a video of doing a skag on my boat, putting the boat prop on, wiring the stereo, all kinds of stuff. So again, if you wouldn't mind going down there, hitting the like and subscribe button. Let's take one more look at this truck. Get the sun shining on it, and then we'll do after once we get the tires on there. All right. Okay, so step one is Dawn. Use Dawn dish soap. You got a bucket, wash the tires, feed greases them. Take a little bit of 500 grit sandpaper, and then I'll rough the letters up. I'll show you that here in a minute. Showed you the markers. Just gonna wash these tires, and we'll start paint pinning.
So I'm just going to find a kinetic scrubber.
So there's one cleaned compared to that, so got it cleaned up. Now I'll just dry it off. So there's the two pens that I've used. I went and bought this one last time, and really didn't make a difference whether you use this paint pen or one of these ones. You can pick them up any hardware store. And now we'll just go through. I'll find a spot to mount the camera so you can kind of watch how I do it, and any tips or tricks you guys got for making these letters pop or the paint stick better, please let me know. And so here we go. Alright, so just got my piece of sandpaper. Just take it, go over the letters. Hey, sorry about that, that's just my dog. Those are pretty scrubbed. Now I'll start paint penning them. We'll set you in your handy dandy camera holder over there. And this is the Dawn soap, get you a close up. So this is what I use when I'm washing the wax off my boat, or you know, for the tires. It's a good degreaser. I don't like just using a car cleaner when I'm removing wax or anything like that, just because it's got waxes and polishes and stuff in it. So I like to use the Dawn soap to cut through that grease and stuff. So I'm just working this way so that my hand doesn't go through the paint, as you can see. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get you in the, hold this camera and do this at the same time. So you'll see it starts not to work as well. So that's why I have my piece of cardboard here. Dab it, get the crap off the end of the marker. And then you see it works a lot better. I like to just dab it so that it gives it a nice sharp edge. I like the look of the white letter myself, so that's why I'm doing it. So you can see it coming together. So you can see the paint starting to get it to focus. You can see the paint starting to really blotch up on the end of the pen. So again, just make sure that it doesn't. And if you pick a bigger spot to kind of get that paint off, then you don't got to worry about it running in there, because it'll run down there. So that's why I like to just dab. If the paint gets flowing on these tips, you can just color it in, but personally I just like to keep it going like this, just to get my nice sharp edges so it looks good. Okay, so there it is, part of it done, coming together. Only 3 more to go. So there's one done. Try to hold this camera and do this at the same time. So there they are, all done. One last look at the truck. We'll go over here. Now we'll throw them on. Okay, there it is. The Fuel 20x10s, -19 offset leveling kit. So I like the letters nice and white. Got a 3-inch MBRP exhaust, shorty headers, airbags, tonneau cover. I picked up the tonneau cover online, got it for 400 bucks. Ford, it's good. Take a look inside. It's a lariat package. A little dirty, but I'm pretty happy with the shorter headers. I'm going to do a review on what I think of everything. I had a cold air intake on it. I took that off. I just went with a K&N air filter on it. Just made too much noise with the cold air. It made this funny squealing noise, so I took that off. The headers actually gave it a different tone. It used to be quite drony, and that seemed to fix it. There it is, ready for summer. Next I'm gonna be doing a couple things to the boat, some wiring. So if you want to go down there, hit that like and subscribe button, and follow me on DNS Projects. Thanks for watching.